Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can analyze audio file or extract text from an audio file in native Android application with Kotlin using Firebase, AI Logic and Gemini. So let's get started. So first I'll show you guys the output. So here I have my application running. Make sure you have connected it to internet, because otherwise your app will crash. So here you can see I have this pick audio button. I'll just click on it and I'll just pick an audio file which is smaller in size. Make sure pick an audio file which is smaller in size. You can pick bigger file as well, but it will take a lot of time because it needs to communicate with Gemini. So I'll just pick this particular call recording which I have, which is pretty small, and whatever call recording audio which I have will come over here. So here you can see this is all the text which I extracted from the audio file. So hopefully you got the point. Again, if your audio file is big, it will take a bit of time, and also make sure you are connected to the internet, otherwise your app will crash. So I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. The business logic remains the same irrespective of what you use. So first just create an Android application. Then what you need to do is you need to go to android manifest.xml, and here you need to add this particular internet permission. Then let's just go to Firebase. So go to Firebase console.firebase.google.com, click on create a new Firebase project. Here you can give whatever name you feel like. I'll just give it as my app 2. Just click on continue. Click on continue again. I don't want Google Analytics, so I'll just disable it and I'll just click on create project. So let's just wait. Again, make sure you add the internet permission inside Android manifest. And in the meantime, if you are using XML layout like me, here you can see this is the layout file. But if you are using Jetpack Compose, you need to do this via Jetpack Compose. It's pretty simple. I have just taken one button and I have taken one text view. That's it, nothing else. Then just click on continue over here. Let's click on Android. Here you need to enter your this package application package name. Just copy this and paste it over here. Again, make sure you enter your own application or package name. Click on register app. Let's just wait. Then in the meantime you need to go to the project drop down, because we need to drag and drop the Google services.json file. As you can see, I have already dragged and dropped it, but in your case first you need to download Google services.json file from over here. Then once you have the file downloaded, you can just drag and drop it inside the app folder. Do not do it from the Android drop down. You have to go to the project drop down and drag and drop it, or do it via file explorer best. Then once you have drag and drop it, like I said, I have already drag and drop it, as you can see over here. Then I just need to go to the Android folder again. Then click on next here, and first copy this particular line of code, and you need to come over here and paste it over here. As you can see, I have already pasted it. Then you need to copy this particular line of code, and you need to go to the second build.gradle and paste it over here. And finally you need to copy this Firebase bomb dependency and paste it at the bottom of the file over here. And also you need to add this particular dependency which is for Firebase AI Logic, and just click on sync now, and it will download all the Android dependencies for you. Then just click on next, then click on continue to console, then click on AI, click on not GenKit, you need to click on AI Logic. I'll just close this. Then here you can click on get started. We will be using the Gemini developer API, which is free. Click on get started with this API, click on enable. Let's just wait for a second. And then click on continue. So we don't require an API key, Firebase will automatically handle it for us. Then you just need to go to the main activity over here. Okay, and these are all the imports. Again, I'll just remove this dead imports. So these are all the imports, you can copy paste it. So here I have created one variable for button and one for our text view. Here we are initializing our Gemini model. So in case if there is some higher version of Gemini model, make sure you update it over here. We'll come back to this bit of code later on. Let's go back to on create. So first here we initialize our button, we initialize our text view as well. Then on click of our button we launch our audio picker. So and here I have defined one helpful method just to get the MIME type of the picked audio file as well, because there are different types of audio MIME type of audio files, because we need to pass the MIME type as well. So that's what we are doing over here. Then coming back to this new audio launch picker, here you can see we get the URI of the picked audio. I convert it to a proper audio URI because it could be null. Then we are doing this on a background thread, this content resolver.openstream audio URI. We get a stream out of it, we read it as bytes. Then here we import the content, then we do inline data passing the bytes, get mime type passing the audio URI dot toString. So here we get the mime type of our picked audio file, and here you can pass whatever you feel like. So I just do transcribe what's said in this audio recording. Like to be honest with you, it's not 100% accurate, but I feel like over the period of time it will get more accurate. And then we just do model.generate content passing in the prompt, and on the main thread we whatever data we get, we just display it inside on the text view. And here we have this catch clause as well. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye. So I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy all this code. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you. Bye.